I'm going down right now.
Going this way and then down?
Well, I need to go there first. There. Why? Because I need against the wind. I am hearing the noise. It's worrying me. Oh shit.
Go back. Oh.
Come baby, come. Right there. I think it's the plastic bag. It's not well tight.
Too nervous for me flying this.
Yeah, I know. It sounds like a whew. It's scary, a little scary. Right there. Right. Ah! Just let it go.
Wait,
Okay. No, I was off. I off. And it was detecting the ground because it did not went farther down.
nerve-wracking for me flying.
But why? Why you say it's nervous? It's very controllable. Okay, I was hearing a really noise that, you see, like this is sticking on the blade, and you see it was sticking on the blade. So let me cut it. Oh yeah, put it in like this. You're right. But okay, it's working. It's holding the. Okay, wait, let's go back.
You launch it
Yes, sir. Well, you should launch it to get a little more confident and less worry. But okay, one, and the middle, landing, take off. All right, test approved. The weight of the telephone is enough. It's fine.
Yeah. Maybe it's a bit better for the wind when it's a bit heavier.
What do you mean?
When your plane is a bit heavier, maybe it's more controllable. Just doesn't drift as much. That's with the road.
Yeah, of course. So I need to find the right pattern.
Yeah.
Holy shit. You see, hold here. I'm going to enter in the. Look, it's happening something like yesterday. It's not giving me telemetry. So I'm going down. Well, return home first. But it's working. That is the weird thing. It's working. I don't understand, man.
There's a dog.
I hope it does not come here. Alright, what I am doing now is circling around. Shit, I need to enter my thing. So I do not know exactly the battery. Okay, I am hearing that sound. I am going to press landing right. No, I need it circle more perfectly. That is doing a good circle.
Just around the landing side.
Exactly. Alright, I'm going to press it right now.
And then it's gonna land.
Yeah, it's going to do the procedure of land. Ah, you see? I understand. It's decreasing the speed when it's favor of the wind.
The wind helps him, so
And it's measuring with
way
the
he goes-
python.
against the wind it goes up.
Right there.
Yeah.
It's opposite what you say. Decrease the speed when it's favor of the wind because it's gliding. So I am trying to enter in the glimpse, but I do not know why it's not working. And that is for testing the other functionality, the tracking, this one, tracking the system.
I always like just flying and see where I'm going, not
Yeah.
relying on the technique. When it fails, I crash.
But
Well, I don't mind crashing, but I want to do it because I did it and not the technique.
yeah, but remember I am really going forward to exploit as much as possible this technology. And what I mean that is going farther away also. You see, it blinked to red. So I'm going to give it a try right now. Oh shit.